Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Real quick before we start, trading
Morning.
is inherently risky. Uh, Please don't take our trades. We do this for educational purposes. And with that, let's jump right into the charts. Here is Beto with me at my
Morning,
left.
guys.
We will be trading ourselves. George is off today. Um, he had some personal matters. And we're off. Sorry for the delay. It's a bit challenging to do this by uh, oneself alone. All right, so markets are retracing a little bit from the supply that I had drawn in NQ. It's a 5-minute supply created in I think it was in May, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, May 5th. We had some news today. Unemployment claims came as expected, a little bit higher, but nothing crazy. Watching the dollar, the yen, and the bonds for me is a very neutral day. Dollar is neutral bearish, while the yen is going up along with the bonds. So for me, it's a very mixed day. Let's take a look at the dollar here. Go to 5 minutes. Yeah, it's been retracing a little bit. The internals opened up at positive territory, even though NQ is flat basically. What about the ES? Is retracing? Yeah, the weakest definitely is the Russell along with the YM, and then the ES. The NQ is holding pretty nice. This is the overnight. These blue lines, if you guys can appreciate them, are the overnight high and low. Python, good morning. Long time no see. Let's get rid of this demand. Oh, this one's fresh. There we go. TQ is a zero line. That's a pretty good spot to see if the markets are bullish or no. And they certainly are. Like at least thank you. Look at that shot up. First time the tick chart touched the zero line, it went up very fast. I have a philosophy. When the markets are going up, the best scenario is to be long bias. Now, if the market start to break down, like in December, January, then yeah, you can change your bias. But look, on the long term, this market just go up. They were designed to go up. So for now, my bias is obviously long, right? We don't have any more news today, so we're free and clear. of more news reports. We have natural gas, and we have an ECB member speaking. Elderson is not Lagarde, so I don't think it'll have much impact. And then at noon we have Master, another FOMC member speaking. So we're clear for the rest of the morning, pretty much. Do you have anything, Beto?
Not yet. I'm waiting. I used to wait at least 15 minutes after the open. Yes. I just want to know some information before I jump into a trade.
So design a master account is the 3, and go this is copy the master. There we go. All right, so let's try this here.
The Q, it's breaking the low, making a fresh low of the day, and it's reacting a little bit.
We're still in the overnight range.
Yes. The RTY already break the low, the overnight low, and yes.
They is about to.
And yes, it's about to, yes.
Sometimes our trading can be very boring because we don't take trades like that we haven't planned. So now the tick chart, yeah, came to a low, but it was rejected immediately. Let's see if we sustain that downward momentum or we flip. My risk today is going to be $350 per contract per trade. If the zone is wider than that, I will have to narrow it manually. Now markets are gaining momentum to the downside. The NQ hasn't broken the overnight low, so that's is an important information there. Volume is average, same as yesterday. Yeah. Remember, we are in supply. With the upward momentum, most likely that the supply is going to be blown, as like it happened to other supplies. but nevertheless we're still in it, so we need to consider that. I'm gonna put it here. I don't have it in. All right. Time was this 9:35. Yeah. So this is the supply. From May 5th. Supply is supply is 80. And it's 270. It's pretty wide supply. From May 5th of this year. New 15-minute candle is about to close. Pretty bullish on the NQ, bullish on the ES, bullish on the YM, and neutral on the RTY. I want to get rid of this supply because it's already tested. I'm not going to use it anymore. I don't want to be confused. As a general information, the supply is up to 80. So that's that line. We already know it. We're in that supply. For that, I want to create this zone on the demand side. There we go. Let's see if we have some sort of retracement here. And I think my entry has to be around here. Let's see, how much is this? It's too much. Yeah, not even here. Smart risk size.
New 15.
Order submitted.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Order canceled.
Okay, smart risk size. There we go. All right. For me, it'll be like this to the overnight high. If we no money. Thank you. All right. All right, so we have this area aligned with this pivot here, right? But I do like more like this. Now, for the retracement, I need the ADQD to come down. ADQD to come down to me. Still going up. That's not a good sign for this first area. I need time for the ADD to come back down here. Do you have any demand there, Beto?
Yeah, I
Where
do
at?
like the 300 zone between 301 until 280.
Yeah, I do have.
That's
I have
my
302 and 290.
yes.
But here's the thing, that the ADQD is just going up.
Yes.
That's not good, because the ADQD tends to retrace, and when you retrace, it's gonna blow. I mean, for me, if price is gonna come back here, I need the ADQD to make a retracement, meaning a red candle, at least one.
Yes, and also the TQ it's ranging like yesterday, so
Yeah.
anything can happen. It's not showing strength or weakness. It's just in a range, so it can explode to anywhere. That's why I don't have my order set yet. I need more information.
Any of you guys have any order set or a plan? My plan is wait for the long on the NQ. ADQD needs to be retracing, and the tick chart needs to give me a nice exhausting pattern, meaning creating a very like extreme low for me to take it long. Python not yet. All right. If you figure we're still in the overnight range, we haven't broken anything. And my bias in the morning, based on the dollar, the yen, and the bonds, is where would be your entry and stop loss? All right, I have one area at 263 3 quarters, 263 3 quarters, and the stop loss 250. But it's not set yet. I need the ADQD to give me green light. Now it came to the 302. Oh no, barely. Yeah, probably the next 7 minutes can do this. We'll see. Look, I only put limit orders when I have good location and the internals are already there. Like I don't need anything else. First zone, this one can work, but for me needs to get inside the zone for me to take it out, right? Confirmation. Why? Location is not optimal. Good location is here. below the red line, right? Close to the overnight low. That's my preferred location.
See, the price get into my zone, but look how the TQ is, right? So I can tell you guys, Tuesday and yesterday, I lost my awareness of the internals, and then after I realized the trades that I did, I realized that all my trades
149.
was
Where?
against the internals. What from them?
Yeah.
Sorry.
All right. So I like this, right? I have already the ADQD in my favor. Now the tick chart. I like this. I really like this. I don't think I'm gonna take this long.
Oh yeah, the TQ is holding it there,
Order
and the
submitted.
ADPD.
Yeah, it's
The
scary,
tracing.
but it is scary, but it is what it is.
Yeah.
I didn't
Actually,
take a
there is a
limit. Now the tick chart is gone. Damn, it went to my price, and I didn't take it. That's why it's so important to take a limit order. See that? That's a complete miss. Oh my god. I need to cancel this order.
Order canceled.
It's a complete miss. The 65. The 65. Let's see if I can show you guys my chart here. $500. Here was my order. After it came in, never came back to fill me in, and look, it's gone already. I don't know why it's not showing here, but I'm gonna activate it right now. Yeah, if it comes back, I need to still see the internals. ADQD is fine. The tick chart needs to be, yeah, but it doesn't look like it's going to come back. If it comes back, I need that TQ to give me a better reading. Let's see. Tyson, did you put your order there? Yes, I'm in. Nice. I'm not in. Well, my initial target was 46, but I don't know what you want to do. It's up to you. Like 346. Might have some supply at 25. Nice. I don't see the dollar amount because the dollar amount is something relative, right? You can have one micro and make very little money in one or 10 minutes 10 minutes and make a lot of money, but the process is what is very valuable because the scale up in this business is not very hard. If you get really good at this, you can scale up and make tons of money. That's our goal, right? Get more experienced and make tons of money. Yeah, it's ranging. Yeah, it's good. Like my my assessment in the morning, watching the dollar sideways, the yen not in the same direction, and the bonds not in the same direction as the dollar, I'd say, all right, this thing is gonna move sideways. And the reality is that 70 to 90% of the days are sideways. Pure trending days are only 4% of the days. If you do the math, if we have 250 days times 0.04 is only 20, like between 10 and 20 pure trending day, meaning no retracement, no nothing, just going up in a year. So the most likely scenario for any given day is just, oh, you're out, nice.
Nice trade, man.
So you can go sleep. It's like what, 10 p.m. there? That was 50 points. Yes. Nice. Better you gotta, I think my computer is gonna explode handling all the things at the same time. All right, here's the thing. Tick chart did break the high, but immediately reject the price to the downside. That's not very bullish. That's not very bullish sign. Let's see what happens. And
New 15, new hour,
yeah,
new 30.
New 30. That's not a very bullish move though.
After yesterday is normal if today we have a ranging day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday was,
Very much trending, yeah.
yeah, very trending day. So it's probably today we have a ranging day.
is a new hour. Let's take a look at the 4 hours because the 4 hour candle just closed. I think we got spammed. Let's see what I can do here. What do you got, Beto?
Nothing yet. I want to see momentum.
Yeah. Wow, look at the tick.
Yep.
Yeah, the 325 is working. What time is it? No, 3 more minutes. Yeah, look at the tick chart. The tick chart, yeah, created a new low, but It didn't close there. It went back up to the zero line immediately. They're buyers buying aggressively down there. We are sideways. You're very sideways. So yeah, this area is working. Temporarily. See if we can have a breakdown. 10 in the morning. The 4 hour pattern is not very bearish, so ES, R2Y are flat. NQ is 0.2% up. YM is minus 0.1%. We are pretty much flat. Waiting is the hardest part of trading. $7 minute is old, so the trading pattern that is unfolding right now is not very good for me. If I want to retake this area, I don't think it's until I have a new 7-minute, which is in 40 seconds. ADQD is coming back down, which is okay. Not the best scenario because we didn't break the high. It's not the best scenario though. The best scenario is we would have broken the high and then come back down in this retracement on the markets, but no. So next 7-minute is now. I wanted to come down hard. Yeah. All right. It's time to be patient because there's no momentum to the either side. All right, here's the scenario. My entry was 65 1/4, never go back here. This low is 70.50, right? 70.50. The tick chart started to go up, which is a good sign for the short, right? To go up big time, but price did not get there, so that means that this area might not work again. Now the bad part is that the ADQD did not break any low, so it's a contradicting signal here, mixed signal. So I don't have a short because the ADQD hasn't broken any low, and I do not have a long because this spike was so this spike here on the 7-minute or here on the 3-minute was so high on the tick chart. That makes me very bearish right here. So we are back in the area. Looks like it's gonna be blown. Yeah, there we go. That's okay. Now we change our bias. Now my bias is completely short. Yesterday was a geek trend. Today maybe sideways. Yeah. There you go. We're about to break the overnight low. Wow, the 40, the 4 hour does not look good. All right, we're about to break the overnight low. ADQD finally breaking back down. And I'm gonna set an order. I will set my order here.
Order submitted.
So I have that one. And I think I have one more. Let me cancel this one.
Order canceled.
I like this one, but I do have this pivot here. This pivot here for continuation. There we go. All right, let's see if we can take this short.
Sorry that I'm distracted, Franco. I'm having trouble with my platform, and I'm trying to
Don't worry.
fix it.
All right. On this 7 minute, I have 279. See if we can get 279. All right, ADQD looks fine. Now I need the TQ. I need the tick chart to give me better entry. Gotta get ready to work. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Tom. See ya. Have a nice day.
Barely touched the overnight. No,
No, it didn't.
doesn't.
It didn't.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it came close, but the yes, but yeah, the yes went through the overnight, but is coming back up. All right, let's see if we can get a field here. I like 279 to 291. I have pretty much everything. I just need the tick chart. Just one more minute. Alright, go to 70. I had 79 because I cannot risk the entire area. I have to give some buffer for the stop. Look at that. Oh my god. See if we can get the tick chart not to give me a worse reading. And I can take this trade.
Where is your entry?
79. I haven't set it yet because I need to place a confirmation. The location is not good. Now my area is from 70 to 86, but my entry is 79. I need to risk less than $350 and give it some buffer.
Okay.
I want to thank all the people who is watching us. Thank for being loyal. We do our best to being transparent here, so we can show you how we trade. Based on how many points is your stop loss? In this case is 12 points. It's pretty narrow for the NQ. But I think I can be very, very precise with my trading. Like, it came to my 70, but my entry was, like, this is the entire area, right? But my entry has to be here because I need to risk a certain amount and give it some buffer here. You see, all this week, price can come up to here. So, yeah, I understand. I understand I will miss a lot of trades trading this way, but I can take more 5-6 to 1 trades and easier, right? Whereas if I happen to risk this, right, look where my target has to be. My target has to be very, very far. So I ask you, how probable, what is more probable? Closer target or farther targets? Obviously, the closer the target, the higher the probability, right? That's why I rather narrow my risk, and I understand I will miss a lot of trades, and I do miss a lot of trades. But I do have a better risk and reward ratio, and my accuracy, I tend to win more trades. Why? Because my targets are closer. Back in the zone. Now, if this thing, the 7-minute comes here, let's say it comes here, come here, and we have 5 minutes to go in the 7-minute, meaning this clock is still showing 5 minutes or more, I can put the order. But if the 7-minute is here, right? But this clock is showing 2 minutes. No, that's a no for me. Why? Because the momentum of the candle is bullish, so I don't want to be run over while I'm trading here, right? Because if I have a bullish momentum, I've gotten to accustom myself of trying to trade with the candle open, so I can have the entire candle momentum on my side. I don't know if you get my idea, right? Let's suppose that this candle comes back down, right, and it reverses. When it reverses, right, and if it's a bullish candle, it tends to close very bullish, right? That means that the momentum is upward. And if I'm gonna short, I don't want to get in close to like at the last minute of the candle, because that candle can close even higher, right? That's just a way of me timing the market, which is pretty hard. This is not easy. It has taken me years though.
Very nice push.
ADQD is showing coherence, meaning that it's creating lower lows. Tick chart is just sideways. Well, we
New
haven't.
30, new 15.
Yeah. Look, we haven't taken any trades. We're gonna call the morning. Hopefully George is tomorrow back. He's back tomorrow. Sorry. Pisons, thank you, and nice trade, by the way. And for the rest, please, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. That helps us big time with the YouTube algo. See you tomorrow for the 9 a.m. Pre-market analysis, and then 9:25 for the live trading session. Thank you.
See you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye now.